Reading Comprehension for Beginners.
저는 밥을 먹기 전에 운동을 하고 싶었어요. 하지만 저는 너무 피곤했어요. 운동하지 않았어요.
When did you exercise? A. Before eating. B. After eating. C. I didn't exercise. D. After I slept. C. I didn't exercise.
탁자가 의자보다 더 크고, 침대는 가장 컸어요.
Which of the following is the smallest? A. Chair. B. Table. C. Desk. D. Bed. A. Chair.
우리 학교에서 식당까지 20분 걸려요.
How long does it take to go to the restaurant? A. 10 minutes. B. 20 minutes. C. 30 minutes. D. 40 minutes. B. 20 minutes.
학생들은 다음 주에 수능을 볼 거예요.
What will the students do next week? A. Go on a field trip. B. Take the college entrance exam. C. Have a vacation. D. Community service. B. Take the college entrance exam.
저녁으로 뭐 먹었어요?
아무것도 안 먹었어요.
What did the man eat for dinner? A. Rice. B. Nothing. C. Korean food. D. Chinese food. B. Nothing.
집에 언제 가요?
2시간 후에 갈 거예요.
When will the man go home? A. He is already home. B. 2 hours from now. C. After 10 o'clock. D. 2 minutes from now. B. 2 hours from now.
그 사람은 누구예요?
그 사람은 저의 한국어 선생님이에요.
Who is the person they are talking about? A. A Korean teacher. B. A math teacher. C. A Korean person. D. A doctor. A. A Korean teacher.
한국어 시험이 너무 어려웠어요. 시험을 망했어요.
Which of the following is true? A. The Korean test is easy. B. I failed the test. C. I passed the test. D. I will retake the test. B. I failed the test.
그 식당은 은행 건너편에 있어요.
Where is the location of the restaurant? A. Across the bank. B. Beside the bank. C. Across the museum. D. Beside the museum. A. Across the bank.
저는 안산으로 가는 막차를 놓쳤어요.
Which of the following is true? A. I am waiting for the last train going to Ansan. B. I rode the last train going to Ansan. C. I am going to Ansan tomorrow. D. I missed the last train going to Ansan. D. I missed the last train going to Ansan.